Welcome to Chinese in Minutes. Here, we learn Chinese grammar through slow and clear sentences. Listen slowly. Understand naturally. 太了 means too, very, showing a strong feeling. 太贵了,太贵了, too expensive. 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 太累了,太累了, too tired. 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 今天太忙了,今天太忙了. Today is too busy. 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 这个太难了,这个太难了. This is too hard. 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 你太好了,你太好了. You're so kind. 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 This structure is emotional and common. Learn slowly, speak naturally, and I'll see you in the next lesson. You've just learned one useful Chinese structure. Listen again, read slowly, and try to say it out loud. If this lesson helps you, you can support Chinese in Minutes with super thanks below the video. Your support helps me keep creating clear and slow Chinese lessons and future learning materials. Thank you for learning with me.